Tummy time is a crucial part of your newborn's development journey, offering a host of benefits that can set the stage for future milestones. As a new parent, you might be wondering how to incorporate this important activity into your baby's routine. Here are some essential tips to help you get started. Begin tummy time as soon as your baby comes home from the hospital. Start with short sessions, just a few minutes at a time, and gradually increase the duration as your baby grows stronger. Aim for a total of about 20 to 30 minutes a day by the time your baby is 3 months old. Place your baby on a clean, flat surface, such as a play mat or a blanket on the floor. Always supervise your baby during tummy time to ensure their safety. You can make this time more enjoyable by getting down on the floor with your baby, making eye contact, and talking or singing to them. Tummy time helps strengthen your baby's neck, shoulder, and arm muscles, preparing them for rolling over, sitting up, and crawling. It also helps prevent flat spots from forming on the back of your baby's head, which can occur if they spend too much time lying on their back. If your baby seems fussy or resistant to tummy time, try placing a favorite toy within reach, or using a mirror to capture their attention. Remember, every baby is different, and it might take some time for yours to get used to this new position. Consistency is key, so incorporate tummy time into your daily routine. With patience and practice, your baby will build the strength and coordination they need to explore the world around them. Celebrate each small victory, and remember that tummy time is a stepping stone to your baby's future adventures.